Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to subscribe premium membership on BandLab Make Music online website or application. So you can see this is the interface of BandLab. So what you need to do, you need to click your profile icon and then click the option settings and then click here the membership. So get membership, and then here you'll get like power your creator journey with membership. So here you'll get a couple of options like this. You will get uh, you will get facilities. This option you can subscribe to OS. First of all, annual. Second way is monthly basis. You get a 3 days free trial if you want to check how it looks like, and click the subscribe. Then you have to like distributor music and then continue. You have to continue it. Then you have to add your PayPal account or PayPal card. So if you want to continue through your PayPal account, then click this PayPal. Then you have to add your PayPal card, or if you continue like other like this card, then you have to give your card number, expiration date, security code, and then subscribe now. So it's really easy, friends. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.